Why do 90% of people struggle with the most challenging words? Let's decode the next 10 in our series. Word number 91, surreptitious, means kept secret, especially because it wouldn't be approved of. Example, she carried out a surreptitious search of his belongings. Next up, sycophant. This is someone who acts overly flattering to gain advantage. Example, the sycophant constantly flattered his boss to gain favor. Here's taciturn. Reserved or uncommunicative in speech. Example, the taciturn student rarely participated in class discussions. Number 94, temerity. Excessive confidence or boldness. Example, he had the temerity to challenge the company's policies. Tepid. Showing little enthusiasm. Example, the tepid applause indicated the performance wasn't well received. Turgid. Swollen or congested. Example, his turgid prose made the novel difficult to read. Ubiquitous. Present everywhere. Example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Umbrage. Offense or annoyance. Example, she took umbrage at his remarks about her cooking. Untenable. Not able to be maintained or defended. Example, the theory was deemed untenable after new evidence emerged. And finally, voracious. Wanting or devouring great quantities of food. Example, her voracious appetite was evident at the buffet table. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next part.